welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you something called Extreme Connected Home Outdoor Outlet. I bought this at Five Below. It was $15 and it's really cool. So I'm going to show you how it works here. So basically what you get, grab my phone here. So basically what you get is you get this. This is made for outdoors, mind you. And what they tell you to do is have it like this. Don't lay it flat for obvious reasons, because if you are in an area where it gets wet, you don't want the water going into the plug and damaging it, or it could do whatever. So you get a list of instructions here, just like this. I already downloaded this and I already set up the password. So now what you want to do is, I'm at step number 3, so I'm going to plug it in, and I do not have power to this outlet because it's hooked up to my testing equipment. So I'm going to do this, and give me just 1 second so I can power it on. There we go. So alright, so now as you can see, it's flashing red. So I did that now. So now what I got to do is enable Bluetooth on my phone. Which I'm doing right now. Okay, so I enabled Bluetooth, and it's searching for this device right here. So okay, so basically what it says, you plug it in, and I can add a device. So there we go, we push the button on there and it should ask me to add this device. So I did that. So now I gotta log into the app. So I'm gonna do that right now. This is what the app looks like. So now what I do is I click Add Device, and it's I'm gonna click there. So I gotta find a location, so I'm gonna add manually. So basically there's a variety of devices. You have a smart camera, light source, plug, and a sensor. I'm working with a plug, so there we go. The indicator light is blinking. So once it stops, so basically it says, so I added it and it is blinking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on location here. There we go. So I'm going to go back to Extreme here. There we go. So the indicator light is still blinking. Right, so I'm going to hold it for 5 seconds. Alright, so now it's off. So once it's done blinking, it should see it. Now there is easy mode, which I'm going to select, but I'm going to do Bluetooth. So I don't think I'm connected to Wi-Fi. I am not. So there we go. So now I'm connected to my wireless. So there we go. So if I do that, I'm going to do this again. Alright, so I'm going to disconnect the device here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. There we go. So now what I got to do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. It's blinking. So now it's got to find it. So let me see what it says in my Bluetooth here. And I'm going to add all my Wi-Fi stuff. Alright, so it has my Wi-Fi password. And you can see now it's being added. And it has the exact same thing as if it's being downloaded from the App Store on the iPhone. Failed to connect to router. Let's see why. Alright. And now it's flashing red telling me, hey, this doesn't work. Alright, so I could re-add it, which is what I am going to do. Alright, there we go. There we go. So there was a glitch in the system. As you can see, it's been added successfully. So I'm going to click Done. And now there is a switch on my screen. It's on. It's off. Watch this. I'm going to hook this up to the outlet, just like this, and I'm going to put a computer case fan right here that I have modded for USB use. Okay, I'm going to turn it down here so it doesn't make any noise. Now, watch this. That should work. Oh, it is. There we go. There's just a little glitch. So as you can see, this is powered on. Watch what happens when I turn this off. I'll do it again. And there is a relay in there that clicks, so you'll be able to hear it. And there's settings. And what I could do is I could set it up to it says relay status. Keep as last as. This is basically their version of power on after power failure in the computer's BIOS. And they have a lock on here so that way nobody can mess with it. Alright, so I'm going to do this again. And there we go. Now there are other things you could do with this, which I'll do in another video, is you could set this up to go through either Alexa or Siri or even Google Assistant, but I will do that in another video. And you can pair two together, but I only have one, so basically that's it. And just to prove again, there we go. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.